Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock yourself on WhatsApp if someone blocked you. So let's get into it. First of all, open WhatsApp Messenger on your smartphone. Tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap on the settings option and then navigate to the account section of the app. Go ahead and tap on the delete my account option. A pop-up will now appear which will tell you that you will be removed from all WhatsApp groups. In addition, your messaging history will be erased. To delete your account, you have to confirm your country code and enter your phone number. Then tap on the Delete My Account button at the bottom of your screen. This action will get its confirmation on the next page of the application. Once you have deleted your account, go ahead and remove the WhatsApp Messenger app and restart the device. This action will delete all the temporary cache files from your device. Once you're done, you can then open Google Play Store and reinstall WhatsApp. Start to set up a new account. Your new account will then get unblocked from all the contacts who previously blocked you on WhatsApp. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.